Hi, and welcome to this demo of JLearnIt. JLearnIt is a free software for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It's a multilingual dictionary that also helps you learn a new language. So on the left part, you have the different categories. So here in this case, I've selected all categories, but you can, for example, select the category language, and then you have words related to language or related, for example, to time. Then if you want more language or less, in this case, probably you just want to learn one or two language max. So you can decide to show more or less language. So you can add two language and remove one, for example. And now we have other language displayed. And as you can see, you have quite a lot of European language to select from. So whether you want to practice on specific vocabulary or not, you can select. If you want to just use it as dictionaries, then you can just select the root category and search, for example, let's go for dog, and you see appear here, but you see everything that contains dog, like a dogma and so on, will just appear also at the same time. Okay, just press escape if you want to use. So now let's go to practice, for example. So let's go with category. Oh, by the way, you can extend it. So let's say we want to learn the week. So that's the day of the week. And in this case, we have from practice, we are from English to French. So start with English. Enter, and it's correct. Again, correct, and then you see my total score and then the score on this word. And if you get it wrong, for example, then your score would get lower, and it will try to ask you to know what are the words you know, so it won't ask you anymore, and what are the words that it needs to ask a bit more. But I haven't shown in the table. It's let me show you again. So last one was the level of the word. So in this case, the level is how often would this word used in the current time. So you can see, for example, you have level 2, for example, for I, or if you, for ourself, it's more like level 4. It's not that often used as the word I. But if I go to science, for example, you see most of the time it's levels 6, 7, or 8 because there are less often used words in this case. So depending on your level, you may want to select from to practice between level. Go in the settings, I think. Yeah. So you can select maximum of tries, good tries, percentage X. So basically, this is ignore when I've good limit. If I've more than twice correct a word, don't ask me anymore, and so on. So show the categories, and basically let me choose, and you can select also which level to be asked from. So if you're a beginner, you may want to go from level 1 to 4. If you're more advanced, you don't want to be asked for what is the translation of Monday, for example, but you may want to go for level 6 to 9, for example. Or if you want to learn all the words in the dictionaries, then go to 10. So that's for practice. And then for the search, basically it's more like a word by word translation. So let's select some text over there and then go into the search. And in this case, it's from English to French, and it will try to find all the different words and try to find the found translation in the dictionary in this case. So it's not a translator, it's more like word by word. It's easier than to have to search one by one word inside this dictionary. So in this case, if I do free and then multilingual, and I'll have to type again. So if you have some text that you can copy paste, it's easier to do it with this search capability. And then also you can, if there's some words like you want to know more about, you have the internet menu that will send you to online dictionary with a selected word. So let's go with Wikipedia in this case. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.